If you searched how to buy shares of Bitcoin Group SE, this short guide explains the process. Bitcoin Group SE runs the Bitcoin.de marketplace and is listed on Xetra under the ticker ADE.de. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro here as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your balance to make purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ADE.de to find the listing. Select the result that shows Bitcoin Group SE to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and inspect the price chart for context. Double-check the name and the ADE.de ticker to confirm it is the right listing. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order will remain pending until it opens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same demonstration, find the eToro link in the description below.